Okay. This is an ultrasonic sensor. It measures distance, and when I'm less than 20 centimeters away from it, simulated by a hand wave, it'll do what I'm about to show you. Let's say I wanted to throw out some banana peel. Banana peel. The door for the compost bin will open, and it'll stay open for 10 seconds, and it'll close by itself. Cardboard box. That one would go in the recycling bin. So the door for the recycling bin will open, and it'll stay open for 10 seconds before closing again. And finally we have the garbage. Used shoes. And the door for the garbage will open. And after 10 seconds, it'll close. Here's the technology. Sensors